Hello everyone. Sire here. Thank you so much for joining me for a bonus video for Kendra Card Challenge June. This is a Patreon add-on. So if you're part of the Patreon, which is the All Access or VIP, you would have got a June bonus. And what it does is it allows you to create card boxes. So here's two that I've created. I was having some fun with it. And this is the one I'm going to show you how I've created it. And the fun thing about this is you can just stick a bunch of cards inside there. It measures about 12 to 15 depending on how thick they are. But they are pretty good for the Kendra Card Challenge if you keep them nice and flat. So let's check out how to make this box. Okay, so here's the paper that I'm going to be working with. This is pattern from Doodlebug and this is Michael's. And I'm just going to quickly zip through this and show you what it looks like after it's been cut and scored. So pretty much if you follow the instructions, it's very simple. Kendra did an amazing job explaining it, even for me. I was able to create this for without even fumbling. So that says a lot with the instructions. So I'm just going to add some double-sided tape here. This will be what we fold over the flaps when it's all put together. And then, so when you're putting that tape on, you got to make sure it's on the back side. And then on the front side, you add the glue. Now I had mine facing upside down. That's why it looked like that. But like I said, follow the instructions and it will make a lot of sense. So there we go. So that's the front side. We'll add some glue and then we'll just push these tabs together so it's nice and tight. And then the same side, the other side. And now, because we put the double-sided tape on the back side, we can now just flip those right over those tabs and it creates a nice sturdy box. This will be where the cards will be placed. So I'm just using 65-pound cardstock from Michael's. This is just one of the 12 by 12s. It's pretty good. It's nice. It's sturdy enough. So for this one, I didn't use the nice pretty kitty side because it wasn't centered enough that it was working for me. But what I did was I trimmed it off because I want to use the plaid that was on the border of that image. So once again, you follow the instructions. It's identical steps except the paper is smaller. And this is going to be your lid. And so I'm just going to put the same thing, tape on it on the back side. And then I'm going to add the glue on the front side on those tabs. The instructions do explain it quite well, like I said. And there we go. And just to zip through this, we're just going to close these all down. And there's the lid of the box. Very easy. I didn't want to waste too much time on the repetitive stuff, but it's as simple as that. Now the part that's not in the instructions is these panels here. I use the scraps from that border around the kitty sentiment, and they fit perfectly on this box, the bottom part, where I can just trim them down and just glue them to the sides of the box. Now, pretty much I didn't measure it. I just stuck it there and I used some scissors to leave a little etch to know where to cut it off, and then I just made duplicates on each side. So pretty much just take your ruler, measure it, and then I just left it so there was about 1/8 of an inch border. And there we go. Easy peasy. And here's my cards that I created. I can fit way more than that, as you can see, but the box just fits right on there and looks pretty sweet. I'm happy about this. And then of course, take the extra step. If you filled it up and wanted to give it to someone, you just add a nice little satin ribbon and just there you go. Look how pretty that is. It is so easy. And once again, this is part of the Kendra Card Challenge Patreon group. So if you are all access or VIP, then you would have got this in June. And it's so simple. It's really fun to create, and I think I might create some more for all the other card challenges that I took part in. And it doesn't take much time at all. The instructions are very easy. I will put the information down below on how to be part of the Patreon, and you can check it out and see all the benefits that come with it. So I hope you enjoyed that. That was something different, something a little fun. I thought it'd be nice to make a little video on that. So until the next time, have a wonderful, beautiful, awesome week, and I'll talk to you later. Take care. Bye.